If you operate a manufacturer's representative business long enough, there's a high probability that at some point in your career, a principal will terminate your agreement. Welcome to the MANA presentation on this topic. In this presentation, we discuss why terminations happen and the steps to take following a termination. The typical written sales representative agreement almost always includes a termination provision that spells out the reasons and procedure for its termination. Sometimes this provision permits either party to terminate the agreement upon prior written notice that is given within a stated period of time. Other agreements may have automatic annual renewals. In those agreements, either party can notify the other that they do not intend to renew the agreement. This notification must be made within a specified time frame prior to the renewal date. Also, even if not expressly stated in the agreement, either party always has the right to terminate the agreement for cause, such as for a material breach of contract by the other party. There are many reasons why principals terminate agreements. A common reason is as a result of a major personnel change at the principal. A new owner takes over who prefers using direct salespeople, or perhaps there is a new sales manager who favors going direct or prefers a different representative in your territory. Termination can also result from industry consolidation when a principal is acquired by or merged into another company. In such instances, conflicts can arise when the surviving or acquiring company has an existing network of manufacturers' representatives. To resolve the conflict, something has to give. Sometimes termination is the result of economics, either because a principal is not satisfied with its manufacturer's representative's performance, or because the manufacturer's representative is doing too good a job. In the latter case, the principal may be short-sighted and decide to terminate the manufacturer's representative under the mistaken belief that it will be more cost-effective to use a direct salaried employee than continuing to pay commissions to the representative. And sometimes the business owner develops a resentment because it appears that the manufacturer's representative is making more money than he or she does. Poor reasons and baseless reasons for terminating an agreement, but reasons nevertheless. Upon receiving notice of termination, the first step you need to take is to carefully read your agreement. Did the manufacturer follow the correct procedure? They sometimes fail to do so, which could technically mean the agreement is still in effect, thereby possibly resulting in additional commissions to the representative that otherwise would not have been due had the principal followed the correct procedure. If they did follow the correct procedure, then the agreement likely has been terminated. Then, depending on the terms of the agreement, there may be a 30, 60, or 90-day or longer period following termination during which the representative will get credit and commissions for orders the principal accepts. Reading the agreement tells you how the termination proceeds. If the principal abides by the agreement and does everything required, you likely will have no legal basis on which to contest the termination. For you, it's time to move on and find a replacement line. If, however, the principal fails to pay commissions per the agreement's terms, or if you have any questions regarding your rights under the agreement, then it's time to contact an attorney who is knowledgeable about the manufacturer's representative business. Regardless of whether or not you are paid all commissions due per the agreement, your next step is to find a replacement line. You need to do this to make up for the lost revenue brought about by the termination of the agreement. A good place to find a replacement line is MANA's Line Finder directory. Log into the member area of the website and you find it directly under the top bullet, which is the Rep Finder, where manufacturers go to find manufacturers' representatives. Enter as many words as you like describing products or services that you want to represent and separate them by commas. When you click on Continue, the next page provides a listing showing the companies that provide the products you listed. Download those into an Excel file for easier analysis. You may also want to check out the Steps to Rep Professionalism program, which is also in the member area of the website. Step 2 covers how to interview prospective principals so you end up with quality ones that enhance your reputation with customers as a trusted problem solver, instead of ones who might turn you into a problem creator because of their poor quality and service. We hope you found this presentation helpful, and please call the MANA office if you need additional assistance.